Hi guys, Monica McGann here. I'm showing you the cute little bunny hanging on the wall. And this season I did do the tulips, the painting that I did a few years ago, and the greenery in the flower tin that was left over from Christmas, so I made it into a spring decor as well. Now this tinsel is what was on the bunny that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just pulled it off. It came off in one solid piece. I will repurpose that at Christmas time. Once the tinsel was off, the whole form was just a plastic form shaped as the bunny, and I wrapped the head and the body, as you can see, in a wide, soft burlap ribbon. The ears, the burlap ribbon is a little bit stiffer, and I only saw this at Easter time. And then the tuft of fur that I got, it's fake fur that I got, was at Hobby Lobby. So the burlap was from Walmart, and then the fake fur was at Hobby Lobby. So my French farmhouse bouquet, I got all the flowers at Dollar Tree except for the lilac, which are the purple ones. I got those at Walmart. And then the purple burlap ribbon I got at Walmart as well. And the roll of twine, I got that at Walmart. And then the brown paper I got at Dollar Tree. I just made my bouquet how I wanted it to look, laying down flat. And then I wrapped it in twine. If you can look underneath the purple bow, you can see a little bit of that twine, how I wrapped the flowers together. And I made my bow by hand. And then I was just playing around with the brown paper. I wanted it to be wrapped. And then it kind of fell into place like that, and I loved it. So there's my creation. So as I mentioned before, the flowers and the brown paper I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and the lilac, I got those at Walmart for 97 cents each. And I just love showing y'all all my DIY projects, so you can hopefully get inspired and do one for your household, or make as a gift to give to somebody. I also wanted to show my ability to create / decreate. And if you live in the Central Texas area, I am accepting decorating jobs right now, so just DM me or find me on Facebook. I'm around. You'll find me, Monica McGann. So here I am just giving you my channel names. The one thing that I do want to point out is Twitter. It's agate_hunter. It was my very first social site, and I love keeping that name because it was my very first one that my husband and I created together. So just to point that out, it is different on Twitter. So come and find me on social media, and I hope you enjoy my DIYs. So as I mentioned, most of my materials came from the Dollar Tree and some at Walmart. I created everything myself. And I also took my pictures with just my iPhone. I have the iPhone XS, and so nothing super special. Just use with what you got. Everyone tells me that, so that's what I'm doing.